for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Chrysler 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, security system, compass, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, panic alarm, Sirius Satellite Radio, HD radio, brake assist, overhead console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.